22 Panini Prizm WWE Hobby 2-box PYC number 46. Wishing the absolute best of luck to y'all. Hang on. Okay. Absolute best of luck, you guys. I do like this stuff a lot. I do love opening some WE. Where's the Color Blast, man? We haven't seen one in forever. Crown Jewels just yesterday. Yeah, I was seeing some stuff from Kyrie. I didn't see any actual results or anything like that, but I still need to catch up on everything. Take a leave with the good luck to everyone. There's Shen. Oh, to our WWE people out there, have any of you guys heard what's happening on Friday here in the Pop Room? Have any of you guys heard? Have any of you guys heard? If none of you guys guessed the answer, I'm just going to say it. Jace Bell said, no, what's happening? New release. We're going to have Esplez all day in the Pop Room. Full day in the Pop Room. Esplez for the release. It's going to be this coming Friday. It'll be the loudest pop stream you guys have ever witnessed. Charlotte Flair with Daddy Dom. They coming up pair. There we go. Happy Corbin on the Hyper. We cracked the code. The code has been cracked. Kevin Owens, KO on the Hyper. There we have Yeet. Gigi Dolan on the silver. And Lewis Howley on the rookie blue. Blue Non. Who's got blue Non? That's Shend. Here we go. Great Khalil. Hulk Hogan, we gotta keep that TM in there. What's released? I don't remember the exact name of it. I'll check it in a second. Seth, no frickin' on the Rollins. Hyper and a Ruby. There's the Miz and Lita. I don't remember the exact name of it, and I don't want to butcher it. Did I skip a rookie? I don't think I did. Here we go. Zion Quinn on the rookie. There'd be Bailey. Wes Lee on the silver, and there's A Kid on the red. Non for Shend. Kofi Kingston. Big Head Balor. Stone Cold. We got a cracked ice of Raquel Gonzalez. Reggie on the purple. Who's got the purple in this one? That's Shend. Select. Thank you, fam. Yeah, it's Select. As soon as you said Select, I remembered that he said it was Select. Wild Boar. Batista. Got our first ink. Oh, it wasn't upside down. I just flipped it for no reason. Looks like it might be a base or a silver. Carmelo Hayes. Wow. Not a bad one on the rookie. Base for new collector on the Carmelo. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, very nice mellow. Barrett, I told you like 20 times that you were overthinking it. Bruh. Here we go. I'm probably going to have to remember Thursday before I'm out to adjust the mic in this room to accommodate for Esplez's, what do we say, booming vocal cords? There we go. Hyper McFoley, Indy Hartwell, Aaron Riddle, Jenny on the rookie, sticky base, sticky base, sticky base, Gunther, FK Walter, Drew McIntyre. We got Madcap Moss on the silver and Sami Zayn on the red. Very nice. 99 out of 299. Drew McIntyre. There we got Dan Luna. JD McDonut. Hyper John Cena. Blank card. Von Wagner on the ruby. One's in the air for your tribal chief. Ooh. Ah. We got a blue back here. Nash Carter. Damian Priest. Mako Satomura. And there's a Wolfgang in the air on the blue non. Blue non going out to Shend. And the AJ Styles. Gonna be insane. Whatever happened to Paige? There's a lot of whatever happened to question marks out there. Battle said not mine. Oh man. It's like whatever happened to Lashley. What happened to, what's her name? Sasha Banks. I was remembering her new moniker, or just her name. I was remembering Mercedes before Sasha Banks for a second there. What happened to Ricochet? They all have the same answer. And I look up and everyone's saying AEW, yep. Yep. Glad you guys caught on to what I was tossing up there. I will not be saying that, Murray. I will not be saying that music. I'm not a hater of it. I just don't know anything about AEW, nor have I ever watched it, so I can't sit here and then say that. One of my close friends, she originally got me into WWE in high school, and I was messaging her like last month about WWE, and she was like, honestly, I haven't watched any WWE at all lately. I've just been watching AEW. I was like, oh dang. Even she went to AEW. Everyone's going to AEW. Like the real drama. Yeah, what's funny is I was explaining to a friend that a lot of WWE lately is all the drama and the backstories and all that. And that friend was like, so then just watch a soap opera. Not bad. Or it's not that bad. Stories of K-Cup Gold Wrestlers. Oh, I've got nothing against AEW. I just, I've never gotten into it, so. Because of Sky Blue? Because of what? Sky Blue? Say, OV-ho, OV-ho. What is Sky Blue? Music sick because of Sky Blue. Oh, you spelt it B-L-U, so I thought it was something in relation to me. I was like, what the heck? Alrighty, let's finish out the first box here. Good luck, y'all. We should still have one more auto. Should still have one more auto. Hitman. Hitman. Solo Sikoa, Rikishi, and there's a purple. Gable Stevenson. There's AJ Styles, Rey Mysterio mid, 619, Elektra Lopez, Marcel Barthel, Brutus Creed. Speaking of Sasha, oh, I see your auto. Cool. We didn't get the asterisk. That's a nice silver. Randy Orton, iconic pose. A lot of people have been saying he's been getting slowly wider and wider with his arms in the air. Like if you go back a long time ago, they're a lot closer, and then as he matures, his arms get further apart. Alrighty. Behind Rey Mysterio, Cameron Grimes on the base auto. Base auto is going out to Shend. 2 Disneys tonight? Music asking the real questions. No, that's the second auto. Alright, next box. Here we go. Alexa Bliss. Is that paper? I think I see a paper. Oh no, it's just an auto. What are we looking at here? It's upside down. Numbered to 99. Numbered to 99. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Who got red? Who got red auto? Take a leap off of the kill. Take a leap. Are you still in the chat? Leap on the kill. There you go. Saying, what a case. Yeah, this has been an insane case, dude. Oh my goodness. They just take a leap. Brother. You're gonna take a photo of that one, brother. Take a solid picture of that, brother. Looks going crazy. Did you hit a bounty on something earlier? Leap? Beautiful champion auto right there on the red. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan. We got the Hulkster, bruh. Reigns red auto, Hogan red auto, and the Taker and Reigns dual auto. Crazy, crazy one. Oh my goodness. Crazy auto to head off of the top of this stack, or the top of this box, man. L.A. Knight. Yeah. Yeah. Batista. Big Head Balor. Shawn Michaels on the cracked ice. Honestly, a very good looking cracked ice. That's awesome. The Miz on the orange to 99. 2-for-1 shrimp combo. Hold the egg roll. Who's got? Oh, that's Shend getting the Miz. That's a nice orange. Nice orange, nice orange. Io Shirai, now known as Io Sky. MVP, please. We have a silver, Santos Escobar, and a red of Drew McIntyre. We had some 2024. We actually opened like 4 cases. I think we opened 4 cases of 2024. Drew McIntyre for Shend on and on. 228 out of 299. Yeah, I think we opened 4 cases of 2024. This is true. This is true. Ultimate Warrior, Julius Creed. There's Hulk Hogan again on TM. Seth, no frickin' on the Rollins. Seth, no frickin' on the Rollins. Uh-oh, Odyssey Jones. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. There's Bailey on the base. Silver, Kofi Kingston, and a purple of Mustafa Ali. Randy Orton. We got our other auto. We have our other auto. Are we going to continue to be crazy boys? Commander Aziz is our potential last auto of the break in the base. Base auto going to Shend. Commander Aziz. mean, I'm biased towards 2024. It's just because Kyrie's in it. And do some casing and sleeving, actually. I don't want this stack to get too much air. We might have one more. You know, that asterisk goes both ways on the average. Man, when I got my drink, I was supposed to grab headache pills. I forgot to grab them from the pantry. Said another headache. Yeah, I don't know what's causing this one. I'm gonna blame it on the, what's it called? Daylight savings, because I have historically gotten pretty bad headaches on daylight savings weeks for some reason. Like, that is specifically why I get so annoyed at it. I know half of chat's going, it's because, you know, you're in your mind, you're thinking, I'm gonna get a headache. No, I've just, it's been like a thing in my, with my dad too. My dad always got really bad headaches on daylight savings. Once I hit a certain age, I also started getting really bad headaches on daylight savings. That I should be able to, I just got my health insurance stuff all figured out on my end, so hopefully soon I can get some kind of prescribed headache medication and we'll be Gucci. Yeah, apparently there's been some like new migraine medications that have been coming out in recent years that have been like actual life changers. One of my old coworkers, he had told me that he had been using it and he said like he will have an aura, know it's gonna be a god-awful headache, and then take it, you know, take the pill real quick, and then within like 5 minutes it's just gone. He said it was life-changing, so I need to see some of that. It's always crazy to me when there's just like new medicine like that, man. Just had a bad one 2 weeks ago. I've heard like whatever the new thing is, it's straight up, yeah, eliminates whatever's incoming, which I think's phenomenal and like that. Specific type of migraine medication that isn't anti-inflammatory. Triptans? Triptans? You're gonna have that graded? Sounds good, take a leaf. That's a good choice. Good choice. One's on the F. Oh, the tribal chief. We got the Wiseman. Dante Chen on the Hyper and Zach Gibson on the Ruby. Come on, Boa. There we go. Titus O'Neil, Gunther, Trish Stratus, Drew McIntyre, Guru Raj on the silver. And that's a cool red. Red Spot actually getting some big names out of it. Red Spot doing it. Red Spot doing it. Red Non, Chend. There we go, Sam Stroker. Josh Briggs. JD McDonut. And we have a Hyper and a Ruby to close it out. Seth, no frickin' on the Rollins. Amale and Shotzi. Oh, we still got one more handful. One more handful. What do we see? Specifically for cluster headaches. Yeah, I can do that too. So both are dust. So is that a... We got a mojo at the end here. We got a mojo at the end here. What a case. We still got 2 boxes left in the case, y'all. Tiffy Stratton on the rookie. There's Carmelo Hayes. Brutus Creed, and on the blue, Naomi. We have a mojo at the end here. I never would have expected. Holy crap. Holy crap. Front breaker on the rookie, by the way. Riddle in the back. Another Riddle. We got a Riddle sandwich here. Riddle sandwich. Oh, it's one of these. It's one of these. Pete Dunne. On the mojo. 1 out of 25. First in the print. First in the print. Mojo non for Take a Leap. Take a leap with that killer mojo. Not bad finding a mojo right there at the end, bruh. Well, thank you guys. I'm always more than happy to do some WWE. I love this stuff. We're going to get ready for a recap. Thank you guys for helping clear this one out. I do love doing WWE. I've been asking for more. Hopefully, Select is a good time. I don't know. I don't think I've opened Select ever. So hopefully there'll be enough for me to do some on Saturday, am I right? But just a reminder, Esplez will be in here for release this coming Friday. Which release? Panini Select. Esplez will be in here. I'm going to have to adjust the microphone and everything. I think he's a solid 20 decibels louder than I am on an average speaking case. Yeah, the WWE Sports, it's in the game. It's in the game. Yeah, I gotta do that next time Z's in here. He will probably actually lose his mind if I say WWE Sports is in the game. Yeah. Whenever I go on stupid tangents like that where I'm just talking out of my behind, sometimes we'll get him a big laugh. Alright, here's the silvers and some of the other rookies that we saved that are in here. Don't worry, all the other rookies still gonna get sleeved and taken care of. Now we got our hypers. LA Knight, yeah. Blank card of the John Cena. Hype years. Hype years, hype years. Cracked Ice. Cracked Ice is pretty cool. I like the Shawn Michaels. I do like the Shawn Michaels. Then we got some Reds to $2.99 on the Reds. AJ Styles, Drew McIntyre, A-Kid, Sami Zayn. Yeah, just all good names on the red. All great names there on the red. Blues, Naomi, Lewis, Wolfgang. Got our purples, Gail Stevenson, Mustafa Ali, and Reggie. The Miz as our lone orange. And Pete Dunne on the lovely Mojo. Love the Mojos. Do love the Mojos. Ink. Commander Aziz on the base. Cameron Grimes on the base. Really cool. Carmelo Hayes on the base. We'll take that one for sure. And whop! Whop! Needs no further introduction. That's going straight to grading. 100% going straight to grading. Look at that there, brother. 2022 Panini Prizm WWE Hobby 2 box POIC number 46. 47's the last in the case. We got 2 more boxes inside the case. We got 2. We got 2. Let's see if we can finish out this case. And then I'll put up 48. That'll be a start to a freshie.